So a few people have been asking about if I'm making a video on Keynote and I get interrupted, or making a video on the iPad and I get interrupted by an announcement or anyone walking into the room, kind of what the process should be. You can obviously restart your video. If you listen, I don't know if you'll be able to hear. I've got two videos here. I'll just turn the volume on. 4 equals 7, so you're just going to write 7 equals x, and then moving on to the next question, you've got 2x plus or minus 3 equals 2, so you'd have 2x
Hey Jeff, how's it going?
equals 5, and then I'm going to stop. So Katie interrupted me there, and I wanted to make a new lesson. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the video that I have where Katie interrupted me,
The next slide.
and I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to edit the end. I'm holding my finger on the right arrow, and I'm going to take out that slide essentially. So I'm going to go to the start of this next slide, and then I'm going to click done.
The next slide.
And
Okay,
now
so doing this question, you have 3 plus
it's
4
going
equals
to
7,
go
so you're just
through
going
the
to write
video
7
again.
equals x, and then moving on to the...
So it's got moving on to the next slide. So I could take that part out as well as I wanted to. So on the next
So
video,
2x minus or equals 5.
I've got my answer. So now what I want to do is I want to put those two videos together. If you don't have iMovie, I think it's in the WRDSB app, which on my computer, it's in the middle row on the far right. I'm going to click iMovie. I'm going to click New Movie, the plus button, and then Movie. And all I'm going to do is select those two videos. So I'm going to select the first video and the second video. And then at the bottom, it says Create Movie. And now what it's actually going to do for me, I'm going to turn the volume off because I don't want to listen to it again. It's going to put those two videos together. So when I push play,
Okay,
it's got
so
the first video. And you can see at the bottom, it's just showing all the volume. And then when it gets to the second video, it actually just splices the two videos together.
2x minus
So
or
I might
equals
have to
5,
shorten up
and
that
then
second
x.
or that first video a little bit more because it's got some of the writing still. So I might have to make a new thing there and just shorten that up just a little bit. But it's going to splice my two movies together, and then I can
x
just
equals 5
continue
over
on
2.
wherever the mistake was.
And then you
I
could
can
continue
eliminate
on
that
and do the
mistake.
rest of your note if you really
Okay,
wanted
so I hope
to.
that
I just
helps.
put some other questions in.